I told y'all everything changes in July. Welcome to the change. Let's go. Okay guys, so first off, I'm in this dope conference room that is provided by the building that I'm in now. And I just wanted to take a minute to talk to you guys about why I needed to get my own place separate from the home that I was living at all this time. And really it just came down to distractions. You know, when you're working from the house, it's a lot easier to get distracted, especially when you have family members that have a lot going on and you have to kind of take care of things. You gotta take care of bills, you gotta take care of family members that may be sick or whatnot. So I was dealing with a lot of distractions and I didn't realize how much it was weighing on me. And that's not in a bad way or anything like that. It's just that when you're trying to get work done and you're trying to kind of get into that zone, especially as an artist, I kind of need to not be bothered all the time. That's nothing against, you know, family members or anything like that. It's just, it is what it is. I have to kind of zone out. And it's harder to zone out when the distractions are so easy to just come right up to your door and just knock on it. You know, knock, 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 we're here. Distraction. Also, it was draining just because my studio was in my bedroom, so it just started to become draining every morning. Getting out of bed, get up, put clothes on, go work at the desk real quick, then go to the 9 to 5, come back, get back at the desk, work at that, edit video, do all this stuff, blah, 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 bam, 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 take clothes off, go to bed. It was becoming very draining. You would just get up and you just kind of feel this, not so much a dread, but it was just, I wasn't feeling that creative. I needed to be inspired. The inspiration wasn't coming. The space was just tight, cramped. I couldn't create the way I wanted to. I needed elbow room. I needed to spread out. So for a long time, I've been feeling like I needed more space, more elbow room to create, but I just couldn't find the right situation. And it just so happened, I happened to come down to meet up with my guy Jake from Rasa Easels. He's one of the co-founders of that company and I'm one of the spokes artists. Surprise! Well, I came down to meet with him and he decided to give me a tour of the place. And when we walked around and when we finally got to this area and the lady was explaining that the studio was available, I knew what it was, I knew it was time, so I jumped at the chance. And I'm glad I jumped at the chance. I'm glad I was able to make this decision to actually come here because it's already been paying off. I know you guys probably wonder who this Jake guy is and what does he do? What's Rasa Easel? I know you got questions. Well, guess what? I got answers. So let's talk to Jake. All right, so this is Jake. He is a co-founder of a company called Rasa Easels. And Rasa Easels is, well, Jake, you explain it.
Okay, so Rasa Easels, the whole point of it is basically we want to create art supplies that enable artists to make their best work anywhere. So for you who are not gonna let anything get in the way, you're gonna be making art regardless, that's what we're trying to do. And right now we've come up with a way to basically take a sketchbook and turn it into an easel.
Okay, so this is a starter, correct?
Correct, yeah.
All right, how did you get started, man?
So by day, I'm a middle school art teacher, and as I was trying to figure out how to teach my kids portraiture, I realized they're all craning their necks over their desk and not really able to keep their heads up. And I thought, well, I can't afford to go buy a bunch of easels. Wouldn't it be great if I had something that was essentially a sketchbook that was portable, that I could just flip up and it would instantly be an easel, but also be a sketchbook when it's not being used, and store them in the classroom nice and compact. Because I don't have any closets in my art room. So I tore apart a sketchbook, turned it into this contraption, instantly text messaged a video to my best friend in DC, who then instantly said, we're starting a business together. And so after like 200 prototypes and a couple years of figuring it all out, we're ready to do a Kickstarter and bring this out.
All right. So what we did today, guys, is that we actually filmed the video for the Kickstarter here in the upper levels of this building. And I'm going to give you guys the nickel tour in just a minute anyway, so you're gonna get to see everything, see how this whole building came together. But I just wanted you guys to see Jake because we're actually going to be working together because he's going to actually be subletting space out of the studio. So he's going to be my studio mate, so to speak. And we're going to be doing a few videos together and I can't wait for that. So I wanted you to meet him and understand what the purpose and what Rasa Easel was all about. So what's next? Well, now that I've got this place, I'm actually going to give you guys a quick tour and kind of my vision and layout for how I want to set the studio up. And then we're going to take the nickel tour and we're going to kind of visit the rest of the Nebula building and just kind of show you what all I got, because this place actually provides a lot for me and I think it would just be kind of cool to just check it out. So first, let's check out everything that's possibly at some point going to go into this empty, echoey space. And then let's go visit the rest of the building. All right, so what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna have a decorated shelf system on this wall right here. And we're also going to have my flat file system. I'm getting a couple of flat files from IKEA. On this wall right here, we're gonna have some shelves, workstation, pegboard, which is gonna have all kinds of art materials on it. And right here, we'll have my drawing table, and over here by KWAME HIGHTOWER stand up is going to be the computer workstation. Let me show you guys this. Now Rasa Easels is going to be set up over here in this area. We'll have a nice little desk. Probably gonna have a little chair set up so people can come and visit. And we're probably gonna shelves all over the place, and probably in this little area right here, area so Rasa can record YouTube videos. So right now, that's the plan as it stands, and all I have to do now is start building it out. The build out's going to probably take about a month, maybe two. Going to take my time, really. I'm probably going to have to get some rugs and stuff like that. Maybe some foam for the echo, but we're going to see. But right now, that's the plan. Now, let me show you the rest of the building and kind of what this place is all about. All right, guys, so right here is the lower level. This is where all the artist studios are at, film studios. This is where I'm housed at. And of course, we got a nice little break area right here. Got pool tables and some ping pong tables. And we also got this. Check this out. Our satellite dish. I don't know what the satellite dish is for, but it's here. We have our own satellite dish. All right, so let's go upstairs and check out what else we got. Dope lobby, kitchen, upstairs working area. Really cool conference room. Yo, so that's the tour. That's pretty much it. Just go ahead and wrap things up, and I just wanted to say a couple of things real quick. First of all, none of this would be possible without you guys, and that means the guys, all of you guys that are subscribed to the channel, all of you guys that I've met at conventions, that have purchased the book, KWAME HIGHTOWER and the Man with No Name, all of the fans, none of this would be possible without you guys. And it's because of you guys that I wanted to do way better work, be more focused, be more locked in, and that's what really has got me to the point where I had to get this studio. And I'm so happy I've done it, so happy I've pulled the trigger, and I'm ready to get to work and really make things happen. So that being the case, look for more videos. This is the new location. It's going to change slowly but surely. It's going to grow, and as we grow, it grows and we all grow. So thanks guys once again, and you know the deal. If you like this video, hit it with the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, especially now. A lot of new adventures on the way, so I would love for you guys to join. And that's it. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.